Hola, hola, hola. Today you guys are going to be doing an activity called Cuatro Preguntas, and this is a speaking assessment. So go find the document on Schoology called Cuatro Preguntas. In there are, cuatro preguntas, 4 questions that you're going to answer in Spanish. I recommend using the Voice Memos app on your iPad to record the responses to these cuatro preguntas, 4 questions. You're going to record individual responses. So for question 1, record your response, save to files. Question 2, record a different response, and so on and so forth. Answer them complete sentences in Spanish, and then upload them all individually to Schoology. Here's a quick tutorial on how to use the Voice Memos app. Hola! Today you are going to be recording yourself speaking and answering some questions. Start by finding the Voice Memos app. This is where you're going to record yourself answering my questions. Start by clicking the little red circle in the lower left-hand corner. As soon as you do that, it's starting to record your voice. Now, answer each question in its own individual recording. Answer in complete sentences. When you're done, click on the pause in the lower left-hand corner and then done in the lower right-hand corner. You have a new audio recording over to the left. Now, record answers to each of the questions that I've given you. Please do individual files for each of the questions. Makes it easier for me. I recommend that you save each file to your camera and video roll. So click on it, click on the little square with the up arrow, and then click Save to Files. Now, go to Schoology and upload it just like you would a regular assignment. This time, though, you might have to click to your photo library to get access to the audio recordings. Most of them will be called Greenwood Avenue. You don't have to rename them unless you want to. I think you'll find the Voice Memos app pretty easy and intuitive to use. Click on the red circle to record, click Stop when you're done. After that, you just have to upload your audio files to Schoology like you've done to every other assignment. Find the assignment called Cuatro Preguntas and upload each of the recordings there. Now, in order to find the questions, you're going to go now and find the document called Cuatro Preguntas. You're welcome to use your notes to help you, but no Google Translate. I promise you, I'll know. So, go! That's your assignment for today. It'll be due at midnight on Friday. If you do finish, check out Schoology. You can look at the links that are on today's post, or go to one of those white folders under Materials, Exploramos, Repaso, or Más Adelante, and you can explore some stuff there. That's your clase digital and día de aplicación for today. Adiós!